So I'm at Protection One's website, protection1.com, and just watched the advertisement of them showing how fast their pickup time was on their phones with no hold time. So I'm just testing that. I'm gonna go ahead and click the 800 number. Pops it up. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the call button. Make sure the volume's turned up.
Thank you for calling the Protection One Sales Department. If you're interested in new service, press 1. If you're an existing customer, press 2.
Oh. Guess there is a menu.
Thank you for calling the Protection One Sales Department. If you're interested in new service, press 1. If you're an existing customer, press... Thank you for calling the Protection One Sales Department. If you're interested in new service,
Yes, I do have to go through the
press 1.
Nope.
For business,
Not a menu. Oh. Got a busy signal. Now let's hang up. Alright, let's try this again.
Thank you for calling the Protection One Sales Department. If you're interested in new service, press 1. If you're an existing customer, press 2.
Let's try it under existing customer. Am I going to press 2?
To add additional equipment or services, press 1. For customer service, press 2. If you are moving, press 3.
Let's press 2 for customer service.
Thank you for calling Protection One. This is Rebecca. How may I help you?
Hi Rebecca, I just saw the ad. I was just testing the actual time to get through to a customer specialist. Thank you.
No problem.
Alright, so even though the video ad's slightly misleading, I did get through to a customer protection specialist pretty quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and post this up.